Hello students, welcome all of you to Study at Home. Today we will discuss articles. Articles A and or D are called articles. Articles can be divided into two groups, indefinite and definite. A and N are included in definite articles and the is includes indefinite articles. Articles come before nouns. Look here, article and noun. Here article is before the noun, but sometimes we find adjective, adverb. In this condition, we use article before adverb. Example, child and book. There are two nouns and we use here articles A before the noun. Book. Book is also a noun and we use article A before the noun. Here in the second rule there are adverb, very, beautiful, adjective, and lady is a noun. We use article A before the adverb. Before the adverb, in the next line also there is adverb, adjective, and noun. We use article before adverb. There are some words how, so, to, how, to. We use article here before the noun. Before the noun, and there is also adjective, but we use just before the noun and after the adjective. How lovely a child. So lovely a child, you can say. And lovely is an adjective here. Article A and child is here noun. In the second line, how fine a day. It is surprising word. We are showing our strong feelings. We want to say that a day is very fine. Day is very fine. But we ask how fine a day. It is a exclamation mark. And day is a noun here and fine is adjective. We use article A between adjective and noun. In the same also bad and opinion. Opinion is a noun and is article here and bad is a adjective here. Use of A or N after such. We use article after the such as it is written here such, article and noun. But if there is a adjective, we use article before adjective. Such an idea. Idea is a noun here and is an article here. In the next line, such a fine idea. Idea is a noun, fine is a adjective, and article A is used here before adjective. What is the meaning of A or N? The meaning of A or N is 1. Indefinite articles. A or N is called the indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person or things spoken of, as a doctor, a teacher, an officer, and woman. It means one doctor, one teacher, one officer, one woman. But if we put here A, here the meaning is any doctor. There are many doctors, you can call any doctors. A teacher, here means any teacher. We are not sure about the teacher. And here officer, an officer, it means any officer, any woman, like it. The indefinite article is used before singular countable noun, a book and orange. The choice between A or N is determined by sound. We have to look, we have to listen the sound of the word. Before a word beginning with a vowel, vowels means A, E, I, O, U sound. N is used. If there is a sound A, E, I, O, U in the beginning, we use here N. Example, A. The sound is A. We use here N. Because A means it is a vowel. So we use here N. Orange, O. Sound is here O. Vowel sound. So we use here N, orange. Honest. Sound is O. Honest and honest. Air. Air means air. It is also vowel sound. So we use here N. Hour. N. Ink pad. Sound again here vowel sound I. MP. M. M is a consonant letter, but if we pronounce it M, sound is here A. So we use here N. MLA is the same thing. SP. S. Sound A is a vowel sound, so we use here N. It will be noticed that the word hour, honest, air begins with a vowel sound, as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. Before a word beginning with the consonant sound, A is used here. It is a boy, ba. It is sound of consonant. It is sound of consonant. Consonant means B, C, D, F, G, H. And if we leave these words A, E, I, O, U, all the 21 letters are called consonant. Boy, the sound is boy, consonant sound. We use here A. Then in the re, the sound is consonant. So we use here A. Woman. We use here A. Yard, consonant sound ya. A. Horse, H. It is also consonant letter and consonant sound here. A. Hall, consonant again. And also university, union, European, EU, and unicorn and useful article. Here we use A also. The letter is vowels. The first letter is vowels, but the sound is producing YU. So we use here article A. Because these words, university, union, etc., begins with a consonant sound, that of YU. Similarly, we say 1, a 1 rupees, a one-eyed man. Because the sound is here of 1 is W. The first letter of the word is vowels, but the sound is here where. So we use here article A. And to represent a class, a dog is a faithful animal, a cow is a useful animal. We use here article A, because now we are not talking a dog, a particular dog. We are talking about the class. All the dogs are faithful animal. It is showing the habit of a animals. If we use proper noun as a common noun, then we use article before proper noun. You are a Milton. Milton is a proper noun, poet, but we use here article A before Milton. Why? Because Milton is not here as a noun, but a quality, characteristics of Milton. You are a Milton Smith. We want to say that you have the qualities of Milton, you have the characteristics of Milton. He is an M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi is a proper noun, but we use here proper noun as a common noun, as a quality characteristics. So he is an M.K. Gandhi means he has the qualities of M.K. Gandhi. We use article before the name of a known person. If a unknown person come to me and say that I am Harish, I am John, then we can use article A, because we don't know that that person is really Harish or John. Example, Harish has come from Haridwar. It means I don't know that person that he is Harish, but that person is telling his name that he is Harish. So we use here article A. Indefinite article a or an is explained in this video. In the next video, I will discuss the article the. Thank you for watching.